Little jingle. Laser attack blinds autonomous vehicles, deleting pedestrians and confusing cars. Will, why you gotta scare me with this stuff now? On October 31st is when it was posted. That's Halloween.
Yeah.
Oh
Hey, I'm scared of this too.
Oh, man, that's brutal. So the laser, someone points a laser. Look at the guy who points the laser in the diagram.
Mr. Evil.
So evil. Points the laser at the victim's vehicle at the LiDAR sensor. Yo. And the person is no longer detected. So they're just running over pedestrians in their autonomous mode. It completely obscures the presence of the pedestrian. Yikes. University of Florida. Self-driving cars like human drivers that preceded them need to see what's around them to avoid obstacles and drive safely. The most sophisticated autonomous systems typically use LiDAR, spinning radar, type device that acts as the eyes of the car. LiDAR provides constant information about the distance to objects so the car can decide what actions are safe to take. But these eyes, it turns out, can be tricked. New research reveals that expertly timed lasers shined at an approaching LiDAR system can create a blind spot in front of the vehicle large enough to completely hide moving pedestrians and other obstacles. The deleted data causes the car to think the road is safe and continue moving along, endangering whatever may be in the attacker's blind spot. I don't like it. Because if you think of other visual systems, presumably if you hit other visual systems with some sort of obstruction, they say, hey, I can't see, like cameras or something. LiDAR, on the other hand, I guess is susceptible. Now, call me crazy, Will, but I think there's no LiDAR in Tesla.
No, I think they're just using cameras.
Call me crazy, Will.
Yeah.
So,
although some other car manufacturers could be using LiDAR still.
Sure.
Or, for the future.
And I'm sure there's all types of benefits associated with it. You have to wonder what the actual risk factor of this is. Obviously, they've proven it here as a concept, but you have to wonder what the risk is for real world situations, bad people shining lasers. It is the first time LiDAR sensors have been tricked into deleting data about obstacles, a vulnerability uncovered by researchers from the University of Florida. The findings are going to be presented at the 2023 Usenix Security Symposium and are currently published on ARXIV. So listen, I presume the discovery of this exploit, the discovery of this attack is going to prompt those who develop these products to try to find a way to shield it, to try to find a way to avoid it. So it is a good thing when these are discovered, because then people can't actually be out there doing this type of attack. But then on the flip side of it, you get all types of kids that get inspired, like, oh, I can trick your electric car.
Like a TikTok trend.
Oh, don't even say it, Will, because I can smell it already.
I almost think this could be very tech savvy. Like it's a assassination attempt or something.
Holy, it's a big
like
leap.
Something heavy like that.
It's a big
I
leap.
don't know. Like this is scary.
No, it's very, it's not.
There's more EVs on the road now.
No, it's not good. It's not good. And this is the age-old thing, right? The more we embrace technology, the more you begin to expose the ways in which all of it can go wrong. But a lot of things can go wrong. As much as you can trick the LiDAR system, you can also trick a person. You can also shine a laser into the eyes of the driver, and they might swerve into oncoming traffic. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like, it's all dangerous moving around these giant metal buckets on wheels.
Yeah.